So Eric and I are going to LA in 2 days for ComplexCon, and as far as I know, I don't think we've actually booked anywhere to stay yet. This could be a little bit of a problem. Have we booked anywhere to stay yet?
I'm currently booking a place.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Talk about good timing.
Look at this.
Alright, so Airbnb is booked. We are good. We're staying in like West Hollywood or close to West Hollywood or close to Venice. I honestly do not understand LA geography in the slightest, and we could be staying in Compton for all I know. Eric, where are we staying again?
Compton!
We're staying in Compton. So on top of like Friday Night's brand clothing at Friday Nights, they also have a big vintage rack with tons of cool stuff. There's a Steve Nash jersey. There's this really, really cool Boston Celtics warm-up top. This is like 4 sizes too big for me, otherwise I would strongly consider purchasing this. I would like to point out the greatest NBA basketball jersey find I have ever found in my life. So if you're like me, you really love NBA basketball jerseys of just random players. Like some dude walks in with a Mike Bibby Vancouver Grizzlies jersey, you're just like, that is freaking awesome. Well, I think I just found the best one ever. A freaking Jarrett Jack Portland Trail Blazers jersey. I'm assuming this is a custom made jersey, or they bought it at the Portland fan shop, because I can't see this being sold anywhere else in the world. Jarrett Jack Portland Trail Blazers jersey. This is the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life. If you guys want to buy a Jarrett Jack Portland Trail Blazers jersey, this is at Friday Nights. Alright, so Friday Nights has a brand new pair of Yeezys in, and they are not the mauve 700s, which everyone and their mom has been desperately trying to flip. Trust me, sit on those things for 3 months, you're gonna be able to get some profit out of them. These ones are the Oreos, which is one of the original V2s to release. I think the second colorway to come out, maybe even the first colorway. I'm honestly not 100% sure. These are one of my favorites. They're one of the easiest to wear. It's just black and gray. I think the breads with just the little red writing right there are probably the easiest to wear. But these are really, really nice. And it's one of the older Yeezys that actually maintains its resale value. Obviously, everything's restocking. Zebras are restocking. The Creams restocked. The Wave Runners restocked a million times. The Mauves don't resell, and the Zebras aren't gonna resell either. And the Butters don't resell for that much, and the Sesames probably aren't gonna resell either. These, the red stripes, the green stripes, the copper stripes, the breads, still hold some resale value. And I'm curious to hear from you guys. Do you think there's ever going to be a Yeezy that has this amount of value again, or are they just going to run them straight into the ground? Eric says he thinks Kanye is just trying to cash out, running them into the ground. I can't disagree with him at this point. Just the amount of colorways they're putting out and the amount of pairs they're releasing. Can't see these ones losing value though. I think like the original 6 or 7 Yeezys that came out, including the 700s and the 350 V1s, are always going to hold at least some substantial amount of value. These are one of my favorites. They are a size 9.5, so if you guys want to swing by Friday Nights or grab them online, one of the cleanest pairs of Yeezys that they put out, in my opinion. Alright, so let's talk about ComplexCon. We just got it all booked, and we know where we're staying. I think it's in like West Hollywood or some, I don't know, but I'm so excited for ComplexCon, mainly for one reason. Apparently, according to my reseller sneaker friend, these are coming out at ComplexCon, and this is one of the coolest shoes I've ever seen. I got so excited about the Off-White Jordans because it was an amazing looking pair of sneakers. And these are debatably up there as well. The Union LA Jordan 1s. I don't even freaking know what Union LA is, and I'm not gonna front like I do, and I don't think that's a bad thing. Just because I haven't heard of a brand doesn't mean they can't make dope stuff that I like, and this is a dope thing that I really like. Not only is it 2 Jordan 1s literally just stitched together halfway through, they're aged, the laces look yellowed, the midsole looks yellowed. This is one of the greatest Jordan 1s I've ever seen in my life, and if they actually are releasing a ComplexCon before, apparently they're supposed to get like a November 17th release or something is what I'm hearing. If they do release a ComplexCon, I will do everything in my power to pick up a pair, and that would completely make my weekend of standing in lines basically the entire time. Speaking of sneakers though, I did pick up an amazing pair of kicks for just a ridiculous price today. I have them downstairs sitting in my car right now, so let's go take a look at those. All right, so these are the sneakers that I just picked up right here. I got these for an amazing price. This is probably just value for money, my best sneaker steal of the year. I essentially paid 40 US dollars. I mean, I paid in Canadian money, but 40 US dollars for this pair of Jordan Retros that's only been worn once. A little bit of backstory on this pickup. I put out a post on my local Facebook group saying, I'm looking to buy shoes, $100 and under. What do you guys got for me? I just wanted to see what was like the best sneaker steal that I could find. And someone reached out to me, really nice dude, told me that he had these in my size and the price was just too good to turn down. Taking a look at the tag, this is an Air Jordan 7 Retro size 12. The colorway is white, metallic gold, Concord, deep royal, and French blue. I honestly have no idea what half these colors are. They spell them with like 2 letters and expect me to know what the heck they're talking about. But I think I got that right. If any of you guys have guessed what colorway it is just from me reading that, you are a sneaker genius and hats off to you, sir or madame. But these are what I believe were called the Jordan 2016 Olympics. Now, the laces on these, a little bit dirty. The laces are a little bit dirty, but besides that, this shoe is pristine. There's little to no creasing, there are no scuffs. Everything looks brand new on this pair of sneakers pretty much, and to buy it for $40, I mean, yeah, the laces make it look a lot worse than it is, but switch this out with a fresh pair of laces and I guarantee you these shoes will look brand new again. 40 bucks for this pair of shoes, I could not pass it up. This is the first pair of Jordan 7s I've ever bought, and I didn't believe that when I first said it out loud, but I went back through every single pair of sneakers I've ever bought. I've never owned a pair of Jordan 7s ever before in my life. I don't know, it's just not a pair of shoes that I really like a lot of colorways of. The only one that comes to mind for me that I'm like, wow, I really want that pair of Jordan 7s is the Jordan 7 Bordeaux. Outside of that, it's a very forgettable and mediocre Jordan model in my humble opinion. It's not something I really think about when thinking about my favorite Jordans. In fact, I don't think it's one of many people's favorite Jordans. I think it is just universally one of the more overlooked pair of Jordan sneakers, but I think this one is really, really dope. It's a great summertime colorway. You got white, you got blue, you got red. If you're American, 4th of July, here you go. If you love USA basketball shoe, here you go. Basically anything to do with hashtag Murica, you are good with this pair of kicks. And I mean, I'm Canadian, so I don't need anything for the 4th of July, but I still really appreciate this colorway. It's a classic Jordan colorway that was done on the other Olympic 7s. It was done on the Olympic 6s. You can see the number 9 right here that Jordan wore in the US Olympics. If you guys didn't know, his USA number was 9, his Chicago number was 23, and it's on the back, which I think is a very cool touch on this pair of shoes. I like the booty on the shoe. Like overall, the Jordan 7 is a good shoe. I just feel there hasn't been a lot of colorways. So my opportunity to pick these up for $40, I could not pass up. Retail on the box, 255 Canadian. It was 190 US, $40 US. This has to be my best sneaker steal of the year. I went through a whole bunch of other sneaker steals that I've had this year, and I couldn't find one that I decided was better than this. So I'm gonna go with this one being my best. And judging from there's only 2 months left in the rest of the year, I think this is going to stay right up there as being my best sneaker steal of the entirety of 2018. So I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of this pair of kicks? Do you think it's a good deal? Do you think it's a bad deal? I know you might be hating on the dingy laces, but picture that with some fresh white laces. These things are going to be looking great. I'm definitely happy with them, and I want to hear if you guys are happy with them. And for you guys that stuck around to the end of the video, I have a surprise for you. So I wanted to buy the best pair of sneakers for $100, not because I needed a new pair of sneakers for $100, but because I wanted to give back to you guys. You guys have been some of the most amazing people that have stuck with me over the years, watching all of my videos through thick, through thin, through traveling, through sitting here in Winnipeg, through doing everything that we have done on this channel. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. So I'm gonna be giving these away, and I'm gonna be starting to do a lot more giveaways on the channel. We might actually be doing one later this week as well. So this giveaway is super, super simple. I need you to do 3 things. First off, just hit that like button down below. I want to see how many likes we can hit, and that is the first step. second step, also super simple, just scroll down into the comment section and comment your Instagram name and your shoe size. And then third, go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be looking through all the comments. I'm going to randomly select one comment, check out the Instagram name on it, and then scroll over to my Instagram and see if you guys are following me on Instagram. And if you are, I'll shoot you a DM and you will get this pair of shoes free of charge. I'll ship it anywhere to the US, Canada, or Europe. If you're in Asia, Africa, South America, unfortunately not a part of this giveaway, but do not worry, we are going to be doing a whole bunch more in the future that you guys can be a part of as well. But I just wanted to give back to you guys. Like, seriously, sneakers aside, I know sneakers are cool, and you probably think my life revolves around sneakers. Realistically, I do a whole bunch of other things that have nothing to do with shoes. Shoes take up a 10-minute video that I make every single day, but besides that, I appreciate so many more things in life than just rubber and plastic. And the fact that thousands and thousands and thousands of people want to support what I do every single day and check out the videos, I think that deserves a thank you, and I do not give it to you guys enough. It really does mean the world to me, and this is a small token of something I want to try and give back to you. Trust me, if I had the means, I would buy a pair of shoes for every single person subscribed to this channel, but I can't afford to do that. So one pair is a start, and we will definitely be doing some more giveaways in the future. So here are the 3 steps. Hit that like button, comment your Instagram name and your shoe size, and then follow me on Instagram, and I'll be choosing a winner. I'll probably give it 2 days, so I'll probably choose a winner on Thursday. Guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart. I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. So until then, peace.